Hi, want to know how to connect any Bluetooth accessory device to your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here go to this tab which is named Bluetooth and Devices. Here we need to make sure that the Bluetooth by itself is enabled, which means that if the slider is blue, it's enabled. If it's gray like this, it's disabled. So, as a next step, we would need to turn our Bluetooth device into a pairing mode. In my case, I got these AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and to turn them into a pairing mode, we would need to open the case and then hold this button on the back for about 3 to 5 seconds. So let's hold this button. Now we can release our finger and wait a little while. Meanwhile, we can click on this Bluetooth tab to open its settings. Here we would need to wait until our device will appear on the list with available devices, which is located right here, to connect to it. And I can see my headphones right here at the first place. And now, as you can see, by clicking on the name of my headphones, I have successfully connected for calls and media. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.